Hello YouTube, Dylan back here with a new drawing tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to draw Nemo from Disney and Pixar's Finding Nemo, the clownfish. So, get a chair, get your favorite pencil, get a nice piece of paper, and let's begin. So, Nemo's a fish and not a tall human character or a tall monster or a freak. So, we need to turn the paper sideways. And Nemo starts out as basically something of maybe an egg shape, I might say. And remember to draw very loosely and lightly in the beginning. So that way, when you make mistakes, you can erase them very easily. And then right back here, you're going to draw kind of maybe a soft square for one of for his fin on the back. Then you're going to put like another one here for one of the fins. Then put a half oval or half circle up here for his top fin. And then here's a small fin right here. And then put another fin there. So we've got our basic kind of shapes in. Now we need to draw both of Nemo's eyes. And Nemo's eyes are not exactly perfect circles. So we're going to start with the smaller one that's a bit of maybe an oval, I might say. So here's one eye, and then here's the other eye, and it's going to be kind of a so there's one of the there's both of his eyes. And then we should get into the insides of his eyes. So we're going to put a circle for the iris of the eye. And on this one, you're going to put it on the side, on the left side, so that he's like looking at us. Put a smaller circle inside for the pupil of his eye. And same thing over here. And then put this little white spot on the top right of both eyes. These are the highlights. Then you can color in the pupils black, make them dark. And then we have to put a kind of a ring around both eyes. Like the eyelids. And then on this side, you're going to draw his cheek. And then we should put in his mouth. He's going to have a nice smile like this. Maybe raise the dimple up a little. And then put these little dots. These are like the freckles, just like what humans have. Then up here you can put, he's not exactly having eyebrows. These are just like, I don't know what you call them. So that's one of the stripes. Now we need to draw one of his fins and put some bumps on it. Then put a little ridge on the end. And we're going to put one of the white stripes on. Then you're going to put a stripe on this one. And now we can get on to his other fin, which will be like this. There's a little square coming out of it. And then put a spot here. And we need to draw a stripe on here and put these little cracks. If you remember in the movie, his egg also got cracked, which has to be a result of this. Then you're going to draw the bottom of his body. And there's a stripe. Then you're going to put a stripe here. And now we need to get the back of his back fin. So we'll darken this up. Put a little stripe on there. And we should get to his other fin. And put a stripe at the very end. And now we put fins at the bottom. And then you're going to put some fins here. A stripe. And now we can put some details that a fish would probably need, like some gills, which are basically upside down U's and curves that go like this. And put some gills here. And then if you want, you can put some blacks, color in the ends of his fins black. Get his lower fins. Put more gills. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much Nemo. If this video helped you well enough, please like this video, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.